Hi guys, now click on Google and open Microsoft Teams there. Scroll down, you can select an option which says Microsoft Teams sign in or group chat software, free chat for Teams. I selected the recording option, and from here you can, if you already have the account, you can click on sign in, or else if you can click on sign up now. Well, in this case, for this tutorial, I have created this option which says sign up now, where I'll be using my new account with the new email address. So it will take me to the page. I need to enter my email address. So I'm entering my new email address that I want to associate with the Teams, and that's my email address now. I click on next. Now it will say there's no account adjust with that email address. So at the bottom there's an option which says create one. I need to click on create one. Okay, now it will take me to the page where it says there's no such account on the Teams server with that email address. So I click on next. It will verify. It will ask me to enter the password which I will be using to access this on the Teams. So let me enter my new password for this. Okay, once done, let me click on next. It will ask me to verify your email address. So an OTP will be sent to my email address. So let me go back to the Gmail and let me go to the all mail option, from where I can see the new email that will come from the Microsoft team, which will contain OTP. So once I will be copying the OTP from there, let me do that now. Click on further, and as you can see, that's OTP. So let me copy this OTP from here and let me go back to the same page. Okay, let me go back there now, and once I will be there, I need to enter this new OTP which I have received. Click on next. Once I will click on next, it will ask me to verify my email to my mobile number. And okay, now it's asking me, it might ask me whether I'm a robotic or not. So asking the question to verify that. So I just need to verify this simple process, and once done, click on next. It will take you to the page where it will ask you to enter your mobile number, to associate your mobile number with that specific email on the Teams server. So it's checking, and now it will ask me to enter my mobile number which I want to associate with that email, and also on the Teams server for any kind of password issue or something like that in the future. So let me enter my mobile number here, and once done, it will send me the OTP on that mobile number to verify that. Okay, let me do that, and I can see I got the OTP on my mobile, and yes, that's the OTP. Let me enter the OTP, and once done, I just need to click on next. Once I'm done, it will ask me to whether you want to merge with the existing account or you want to replace that. I said merge and click on continue. Okay, once I'm done, it will ask me the basic details like my first name, last name, my date of birth, my country, and that's all I need to fill. Then click on next. Once I click on next, it will be create a confirm your age, and click on next, and it will take me to the page, to the Teams page. Now if you already have the Teams, it will take you to that page. I do also have, but I think it's not updated. Yes, so if you don't have, you can click on download the app. If you have, it will directly take you to that page. So in my case, I think it's not updated. Yeah, as you can see, it says update. Okay, let me go back to the home screen, and from there I will be selecting Teams app. Once, okay, this here on the top left hand side, you can see there's an option which says AS, that's my name. Click on that. I already have the existing account with that, so let me do that, and once done, I click on add account. It will ask me to enter the email address. I just need to enter the email address through which you have created the account. Click on sign in, and that's all. Thank you.